Randy and Thea, welcome to your wedding day. This is the day you've been waiting for, the day you've been saving up for, the day you've been praying for. Sa wakas, tapos na ang pandemic at nandito na kayo. You're getting married today because God sent you so many blessings. And He said thank you for these blessings. Everyone, listen right now to the blessings Thea and Randy have received in their lifetime. The first blessing, thank the Lord that one time in your life you became friends.
Thea and I met about 9 years ago in Alabang. Had her number ever since. Kamusta paminsan-minsan. But I didn't court her immediately until 2020 came. Pandemic came. I checked my phone book. Sabi ko sino kaya yung magre-reply dito. Thea replied. And then from that day forward, tuloy-tuloy na. Wala nang tigil yung chismisan namin buong maghapon.
Araw-araw, kahit nakapikit at pagod, daldal pa rin.
It's shining, seems the daylight knows this is our time. Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, now we know it.
Alam ko namang hindi to
All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today. This adventure we were meant for.
Ron, ang unang nag-order ng barong.
Ano
pa? Very good yan. Nagsukat agad yan. My brother-in-law.
Every season, together we can do anything we believe in. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, never starts. Through it all and what we face, you and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today. It's horizon, oh, it's shining. It seems the daylight knows.
Randolph is very big on planning. So, all my life, or since 13 years old, I thought you had this one plan. I thought you planned to be a priest. Up until 2 years ago, sabi mo kakasal ka na, okay. Doon, mali pala ako.
Having met you is not a coincidence. It was a choice that we made that had a blessing from up above. It is you who made me realize that there was more to life and that getting old with someone is possible. I found a partner in you. Your independent character, your wisdom and humor, and your zest of life complements me. I didn't know I had a missing piece until I found you. You completed the picture and added color to my day.
my heart, scattered like stone.
One day, you just vanish all of a sudden. Siyempre, may pride ako noon, Kebs. Busy ka, busy rin ako. Pero, hindi mo alam sobra kitang na-miss noon. Hindi ko sa'yo inaamin hanggang ngayon. Hinanap-hanap talaga kita noon.
Doon siya unang nagtanong, why do I feel like this? Who is Randy now in my life?
But the ocean of my
My maid of honors knew there's something in me that seems to be odd. I didn't know, madalas na pala kitang nakikwento, nababanggit sa kanila. So we go on with our lives until one day, meron kang excuse na Cabbage Patch Dolls. Sabi mo matagal mo nang in-order. Alam ko namang hindi naman talaga, gusto mo lang akong makita.
racking my brain, looking for answers. Why
When you gave those sunflowers, tawa ko ng tawa. You are insisting and telling me that you want to draw the line and wanting to get out of your zone. Your consistent opening of doors for me and even my friends, your genuine gentlemanly demeanor, ang pag-aalaga mo sa mommy mo at pag-consider mo sa kanya sa lahat ng plano mo.
Thank you for being no? 44 years na single. Overstaying na ako. Now that I'm getting married, things will still be the same. I'm still the baby boy.
At syempre, kasama rin dun yung malapot mong toyo. At times, I know meron din naman akong toyo. I'm glad na parati tayong may kalamansi. At parati natin pinapatak sa toyo ng isa't isa. Walang pumapatol. I truly admire the person you are, even though you never really courted me. But, you immediately won the hearts of my pamangkin. Si mama kong Ate Sel, ni Papa, mga kapatid ko at mga kaibigan ko. You eagerly get to know them all over because you knew they were important to me.
Magsisimula ka ng bagong buhay mo. At dapat meron ka respect, tiwala, at pagmamahal sa iyong bagong magiging partner.
get some sleep? But the ocean in my heart is raging. I don't really know what to say. Take a breath and try to breathe.
Good morning, Patch. In this moment, I know you are wishing the two important men who reside forever in your heart. Your beloved daddy and cherished Tay to be here today. Sa maraming kwento mo about your Kuya Tay, isa sa pinaka natatandaan ko is yung wish sa'yo before he passed away. When he kept telling you na ikaw kasi hindi ka pa nag-aasawa. Sana sa taong tama ka mapunta. Sana nga nasa tamang tao ka ngayon. I hope your daddy and Tay are smiling as we embark on this beautiful chapter together. See you later. There's two persons here in this gift from Tay, customized gift. First is my dad, and then my brother, Tay. Here I am today, fulfilling something that I didn't quite plan when you were around. I'm sure you're really happy. Thank you very much for putting us together. I know you have a hand in all of this.
Marinela. Aww. Thank you. Kat? Ito muna. Ito muna. Yes. Tatala ko. Yung isa. This one. alam ko wala. Sino? Ate Eden.
Years ago, I had my eye on the love bangle. But there's this notion that this kind of bangle should be a gift from someone else as a symbol of love. to embrace the concept of self-love. Because why not? I was all about independence, determined not to rely on anyone else to achieve what I desire. But with you, everything has changed. You have shown me true meaning of love and partnership that is perfectly sustainable for both ends. So today, I'm taking my words back and give you this bangle. Just like you and our partnership, it appreciates over time. May this serve as a reminder of our everlasting bond. With more chismis every day, of course, you are my everything, Randy. See you later, bebe ko, at baby bunso ng lahat.
Like the shoreline reaches for the sea, evermore I'm falling endlessly. I would wait 1,000 years to have this moment here with you. I was made for you, oh my love, you and only you. Oh, the things we'll do if you got me, oh, and I've got you. I was made.
In you, Randy, I see the man I want to be with for the rest of my life. Yung sustainable. Finally, that sustainable thing is in you. Having the same values make it so easy to keep you in my life. Especially sa napakadami kong pangarap at kung ano nung laban ko sa buhay. Randy, you have never been a hindrance. In fact, you're the one who kept pushing me to be the best version of myself.
Okay lang ba si Randy? Baka mainitan yung...
I was made for you, oh my love, you and only you. Oh, the things we'll do if you got me, oh, and I've got you. I was made for you, oh my love, you and only you.
I look forward to the future with you, raising a family, and holding you tightly to watch the sunset. I promise to be by your side until my last day, and make sure that you will never feel alone. I will be the person to listen to your rants and raves. I will cry with you and fear with you. Your pain is my pain. Your joy will also be my joy. I will share in your burden, and we will figure things out together like real partners.
Ang buhay na papasukan nyo, maraming sorrowful moments. Alam nyo rin yan. Kaya nga ayaw nyo sana mag-asawa eh. Sorrowful moments marami. At ang papasukan yung buhay, maraming glorious moments. Ibig sabihin, pinaparamdam ni Lord, kaya nyo ito. Huwag kayong kabahan. Ang mahalaga, simula ngayon, magpaturo kayo kay Lord kung paano magmahalan kayo. Magmahalan kayo. Magmahalan kayo.
Deep cloud of heavenly sand, touching.
I, Randolph Protasio, take you, Maria Teresa Ramirez, to be my wife.
I, Maria Teresa Ramirez, take you, Randolph Protasio, as my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad,
In sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
Back to me. Miles of women
throughout our planning stage until this day, damang-dama ko napakaswerte ko. Lalo mong pinatunayan yung sinasabi mong I don't deserve you. Kasi Randy, you are so much more than I deserve. Kahit may toyo tayong pareho paminsan, you are excessively sensitive to my feelings. You know how to connect with my language of love. At lalo alam mo kung kailan ako gutom. Kaya hindi mo ko pinapatulan pag ako naman ang may toyo. That feeling of I must have done something really, really good in this world to deserve someone like you is really overwhelming. Yun pala yung sinasabi nilang pakiramdam. Randy, lahat ng nangyari at pinagdaanan natin, parte ng proseso. It is indeed God has made things beautiful in its time.
Randy, you may now kiss your beloved body.
As we lay there under blue skies, pure white stars.
Mrs. Randolph and Maria Teresa Protasio.
A magical time.
Congratulations and God bless you.
Always forever near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. I love you, always forever near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you, with you. Say you love me always forever, never stop, never whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and every. Say you love me always forever, never stop, never whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and everything. I love you always forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you. I will be with you. I love you always forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you. I will be with you. I love you always forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you. I will be with you. I love you always forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you. 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 Sometimes worse things can open the door to a dream you could have never asked for. Oftentimes some bitter weather will bring in the spring.
I will hold your hand tightly. We are in this together, and never shall I let you go. Bright days are ahead of us. I will be your rock and anchor to make you feel secure and let you know that everything is in order, and let your worries fade. I will be by your side from this day forward. Whenever you say I love you, I will answer you back, I love you more. Not because my love is greater than yours, but because I am willing to go the extra mile to make you know how much I love you.
Submitting to you isn't about giving in or conforming. It's about choosing to stand beside a man that I admire, respect, and cherish. You have shown me that a love that nurtures, a love that values equality and understanding. You have proven that in our partnership, there's strength, there's growth, and naturally sustainable.
Whether you two, Randy and Leia, decide to have an abundance of kids, or decide to just play life together, the love of your family and friends will see you through. We welcome our niece darling, Leia, and the whole Ramirez family to our home. So, cheers and best wishes.
And get ready for the sacrifice.
So hold on. Just
Randy, I know together we're building more than a marriage. We are crafting a legacy of respect, support, and unwavering love. Just like your Lego bricks finding their perfect match, I am sure, Randy, we will always complement and elevate one another. You are the missing piece in the dream was missing. I love you more than words that can express. Always remember my bridal walk, last few lines. And they say love is a journey. I promise that I will never leave. And when it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me. I can't love you. I love you so much.
so